Hi everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to create a desktop shortcut for the run command and pin it to your taskbar for instant access in Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. Press Windows plus R to open the run command. Now type this command and hit enter or press OK button. This window will open showing all your installed apps. Scroll down and find Run. Right click on Run and select Create Shortcut. Windows will ask, do you want the shortcut on your desktop? Click Yes. To pin the run command to taskbar, go to your desktop, right click the new run shortcut, show more options and select pin to taskbar. You now have a quick access run button right on your taskbar. No more pressing Windows plus R every time. If you find this helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching.